Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel How to Tutorials. If you want to use multiple Binance accounts on one phone, here's how to switch between them easily. Open the Binance app on your mobile device and make sure you're logged into your account. Now tap on the menu icon at the top left corner of your screen. Here tap on your username at the top. And now tap on the switch account icon at the top right. And simply tap log out. Don't worry, your data is saved. Now tap the yellow colored sign up or login option at the top and enter the credentials of your second Binance account. And you can also tap a switch account and here log in with your account. And if you want to add a new account, simply tap the plus icon at the top right and enter the credentials of your second account. Because Binance does allow simultaneous multiple accounts, on Android you can also enable dual apps or app cloner to run two Binance apps with different logins. And that's how you can manage multiple Binance accounts on your phone. Like and subscribe for more crypto tips. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next one.